This is a brand new 2014 BMW X1. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, BMW Assist, a sunroof, speed-sensitive volume controls, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, cornering lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, 8-way power adjustable seats, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, air conditioning, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.